Hi friends, welcome to our journey across the incredible country of India. In this video, we will explore the names of all 28 states of India, each with its own unique history and culture. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Number 1, Kerala. Our journey begins with Kerala, located on the southwestern coast. The name Kerala means land of coconut trees in Malayalam. The state is renowned for its lush greenery and backwaters. Number 2, Karnataka. Moving north, we reach Karnataka. The name Karnataka is derived from Karnadu, meaning elevated land in Kannada, the state's official language. Number 3, Tamil Nadu. Next, we move to Tamil Nadu. The name translates to the land of Tamils in Tamil, the language and the people of the region. Number 4, Andhra Pradesh. Heading further north along the eastern coast, we arrive in Andhra Pradesh. The name Andhra is derived from the ancient people called Andhras, who inhabited the region. Pradesh means state or province in Hindi. Number 5, Telangana. Next, we reach Telangana. The name is derived from the word Trilinga, which refers to the three ancient Shiva temples in the region. Number 6, Maharashtra. Moving west, we come to Maharashtra. The name Maharashtra means great nation in Marathi. It is the home to the vibrant city of Mumbai, India's financial capital. Number 7, Goa. Heading south along the western coast, we find Goa. The name Goa is derived from the Konkani word Goi, which means a patch of tall grass. Number 8, Gujarat. Moving northwest, we reach Gujarat. The state gets its name from the Gujars, a tribe that ruled the area during the medieval period. Number 9, Rajasthan. Continuing north, we arrive in Rajasthan. The name means land of kings in Hindi, a reference to its history of Rajputana royalty and majestic forts. Number 10, Madhya Pradesh. Moving to the heart of India, we find Madhya Pradesh. The name translates to Central Province in Hindi, reflecting its geographical location in the heart of India. Number 11, Chhattisgarh. Next, we move to Chhattisgarh. The name means 36 forts in Hindi, referring to the 36 princely states that existed in the area during the medieval period. Number 12, Odisha. Heading east, we come to Odisha. The state derives its name from the Odra people, who lived in the central region of modern Odisha. Number 13, West Bengal. Moving further east, we reach West Bengal. The name Bengal is derived from the ancient kingdom of Vanga. The prefix West distinguishes it from the country of Bangladesh, which was formerly East Bengal. Number 14, Bihar. Next, we arrive in Bihar. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word Vihara, meaning abode, referencing the ancient Buddhist monasteries that dotted the region. Number 15, Jharkhand. Moving south, we reach Jharkhand. The name means land of forests in Hindi. The state is known for its rich natural resources and dense forests. Number 16, Sikkim. Heading northeast, we find Sikkim. The name is derived from the Limbu word Su, meaning new, and Kim, meaning palace or house. Number 17, Arunachal Pradesh. Moving further east, we come to Arunachal Pradesh. The name translates to land of the dawn-lit mountains, reflecting its geographical position as the easternmost state of India, where the sun rises first. Number 18, Assam. Next, we reach Assam. The name is derived from Ahom dynasty that ruled the region for nearly 6 centuries. The name signifies unparalleled or unequaled. Number 19, Nagaland. Heading east, we find Nagaland. The state is named after the Naga tribes who inhabit the region. The name Naga is believed to mean people with earrings. Number 20, Manipur. Next, we arrive in Manipur. The name means jeweled land in Sanskrit. The state is known for its rich culture and classical dance forms. Number 21, Mizoram. Moving south, we reach Mizoram. The name means land of the hill people in the Mizo language, reflecting the state's hilly terrain and tribal culture. Number 22, Tripura. Next, we arrive in Tripura. The name means 3 cities in Sanskrit and is linked to the ancient Tripuri tribe that lived in the region. Number 23, Meghalaya. Heading further west, we find Meghalaya. The name translates to abode of clouds in Sanskrit, aptly named for its high rainfall and mist-covered landscapes. Number 24, Uttar Pradesh. Moving west, we come to Uttar Pradesh. The name means northern province in Hindi. It is the most populous state in India and has a rich historical and cultural heritage. Number 25, Uttarakhand. Next, we arrive in Uttarakhand. The name means northern land in Sanskrit. It is known for its scenic beauty and pilgrimage sites. Number 26, Haryana. Heading further west, we reach Haryana. The name means abode of God in Sanskrit. It is derived from the words Hari, a name of Lord Mahavishnu, and Ayana means home. Number 27, Punjab. Moving west, we come to Punjab. The name means land of 5 rivers in Persian, referring to the 5 major rivers that flow through the region. Number 28, Jammu and Kashmir. Finally, we arrive in Jammu and Kashmir. The name is derived from the 2 regions it comprises. Jammu, named after its founder Raja Jambulojan, and Kashmir, derived from the ancient Sanskrit name Kashipamira, which means Lake of Sage Kashyapa. And there you have it, a fascinating journey through the names and origins of all 28 states of India. Each state has its own unique story and cultural heritage, making India a truly diverse and vibrant nation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.